Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to install Linux on your Chromebook. Installing Linux on your Chromebook allows you to install desktop apps, play desktop games, and do much more. But without talking much, let's get directly onto our video. First click on Start menu, then go to Settings. Then scroll down and click on About ChromeOS. And scroll down until you find Linux Development Environment, and click on Setup. It will open a new window and click on Next to continue. You can set a username, and you can select a disk size. I would recommend leaving it as recommended, and then click on Install. Then it will start downloading files and installing Linux, so all you need to do is wait until it finishes installing. After Linux has installed, click on Start menu and then go to Terminal. In the terminal, under Linux, click on Penguin, and a Linux terminal will open, and you can even use Linux commands on it. And it will function much like Linux. You can even install programs using this terminal. If this video helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, and I will see you in a next video.